Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will show you a project. The project is to measure a person height using an ultrasonic sensor. For this project, I need an Arduino Nano ultrasonic sensor and OLED display with some jumper wire and a button. So the first question is, what is the ultrasonic sensor? The ultrasonic sensor is a type of sensor used for measuring the distance between the sensor and the object. It uses high frequency sound wave to measure the distance. So the sound is high frequency, for that reason we are never able to hear it. If you are interested about this sensor, check out my old video and you can find out the link from description box. For this project, my idea is quickly measure the total height from ground to sensor and store the value. Next, I am just going to subtract the value from the total value. Using this method, I can easily find out the person height. When I am able to find the value, then I am going to display it. And you can display the value in any unit. It can be centimeter, it can be meter or foot also. So this project is a prototype project. For that reason I use the jumper wire and breadboard. The code are very basic code, so I'm not going to discuss about the code. You can find out the code from my GitHub repository, and I write comment in every line for better understanding. I think if you read the comment, you easily able to know which line is what. And I choose Arduino Nano because I using the Arduino Nano for my project, and you need to choose perfect comport also. You can see I attach the breadboard in top of my door. In the beginning it show you the total height. You need to set it. For set the total height, you need to space the button and it set the total height. Now one person is stand under the sensor and the sensor is showing me the height of the person. And the interesting things is the sensor showing a acceptable value, and the value is not very bad. If you want, then you can use this project as your college mini project. So we are come in end of the video. Give a like and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any confusion or any suggestion, you can write down in the comment box. And thank you so much for your support.